In one of the most surprising feats of modern drone warfare, Ukraine successfully controlled 117 drones over long distances during Operation Spiderweb. But how did they do it? Without satellites and right inside Russian territory. The secret: open source software, cheap hardware, mobile networks, and brilliant planning. It all started with ArduPilot, a nearly 20-year-old open-source autopilot software originally created by hobbyists. ArduPilot can do it all: flight stabilization, waypoint navigation, loitering, and even fail-safe behavior in case of signal loss. This was crucial. These drones had to fly for hours through potential jamming zones and possibly without operator input for long stretches. ArduPilot's ability to fly and hover independently kept them in the skies, even if commands were briefly cut off. Instead of relying on expensive, traceable satellite links like Starlink, Ukrainian engineers got creative. They installed Raspberry Pi-style boards and 4G USB modems into each drone. These modems accessed Russia's own 4G/LTE networks, allowing real-time control from Ukraine. It's ironic, Russia's mobile network was used against it. But that's not all. The drones had AI-assisted targeting. Using onboard computers and cameras trained with machine vision, they could identify fighter jets, vulnerable aircraft parts, and potentially attack targets autonomously if the signal was lost mid-flight. The drones were transported covertly, hidden inside container trucks with remotely operated roofs. Operators stayed in Russia just long enough to start the launch, then exited, destroying the trucks after takeoff to remove evidence. How did they manage latency and disruption across so many drones at once? With ArduPilot's coordination features and pre-planned flight paths, even if the network dropped, the drones could loiter, wait for commands, or return to base. Operation Spiderweb proved something big. You don't need billion-dollar weapons to dominate the sky. You need smart software, a clever plan, and the willingness to outthink your enemy. Ukraine's drone tactics are reshaping how the world sees war, and how open-source tools can punch far above their weight. This isn't just warfare. It's code versus conquest. Subscribe for more breakdowns of futuristic tactics and military innovation. The battlefield just got a software update.